The tools you will need for installing side plates are a 9/32 drill bit, 7/16 deep socket, 1/4 inch magnetic socket, 2 large C-clamps, tape measure, hammer, large screwdriver, drill, impact driver, a cutting blade on a grinder or a sawzall, and your safety equipment such as eye and hearing protection. Instructions for installation will be sent with the side plates for you to reference. To start, take your 2 C-clamps and hold down the brush seal retainer to the side plate as shown on both ends. Measure equal distances from end to end, and with a 1/4 inch magnetic socket, install the 1.5 inch brush onto the plates. Measure your track distances from the wall, both top and bottom, and be sure to write this down. You will need these numbers later. Raise the door completely up, undo and remove the track bolts from the lower track. Slide your side plates in firmly and butt them against the wall. Clamp track and side plates at the previously measured distance from wall. Then re-drill holes through the side plates with the 9/32 drill bit and reinstall track with the side plates using track bolts.